How to fix YouTube search bar half showing problem. In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can fix if search bar is half showing on YouTube. The first thing you want to do is open your Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Then you want to search YouTube over here. From the search results, go ahead and select YouTube. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. Now open YouTube and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to open up your settings. Then scroll down and select apps. Now you want to search for YouTube from here. Go ahead and select that. Now head over to storage. Here select clear cache, then select clear data and tap on the delete option. This is going to delete all the data from the app. Now open YouTube, log into your account and check if your problem is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.